Can you withdraw money from Jackpot World? Jackpot World looks like a real casino app with flashy wins and big payouts, but can you really withdraw money from it? Let's find out. Jackpot World is a social casino app. It lets you play slot machines and casino games for fun using in app credits instead of real money. And here's the truth, you cannot withdraw real money from Jackpot World. All winnings are virtual credits with no cash value. The app uses flashy graphics and big win screens that look like real casino payouts. This can make players think they're earning money, but it's just for entertainment. Jackpot World is safe to play for fun, but it's not a way to make money. Treat it like a game and not a casino. If you want real rewards, look for apps that offer gift cards or cash payouts like Misplay or Survey platforms. Jackpot World is strictly entertainment. So remember, Jackpot World is fun, but you can't withdraw money. Play responsibly and enjoy it as a game.